Hello everyone. Welcome to Fraud Shield AI, an intelligent fraud detection platform developed under the Kavach Nexus initiative. In this demo, I will walk you through our system. Let's move to the dashboard section. This is the main dashboard of Fraud Shield AI. Here we can see an overview of the user profile, current balance, transaction activity, and fraud analytics. The dashboard is designed to give both users and administrators a clear and transparent view of transaction behavior. Coming to the fraud analytics section in our dashboard. The fraud analytics chart visually represents the distribution of low, medium, and high risk transactions. This helps in understanding overall system health and detecting fraud trends at a glance. Now we can come to the user profile and balance section. At the top, we can see the user profile details such as name, email, role, and account balance. The balance visibility feature allows users to securely hide or show their balance when needed, improving privacy and security. Now let me demonstrate a transaction. When a user initiates a money transfer, Fraud Shield AI does not blindly approve it. Instead, the transaction is analyzed using multiple behavioral and rule-based checks such as transaction amount, frequency, recipient history, and a user behavior pattern. Now, heading towards the receive money section, where incoming transactions are monitored in real time. It holds the data of incoming transactions along with various fields of data. The risk levels consisting of low, medium, and high levels are also being shown in the transaction table. Now coming to the fraud alert section. In the fraud alert section, high risk transactions are highlighted. These alerts allow administrators to review suspicious activities in real time and take appropriate actions such as reviewing or blocking transactions. This ensures proactive fraud prevention rather than reactive damage control. Now let's talk about technology behind FraudShield AI. Behind the scenes, the platform uses Firebase for secure data handling, a fast API based ML backend for fraud analysis, and is designed to be extendable with advanced machine learning models. The system is scalable, transparent, and ready for real world deployment. Now comes to the final conclusion. To conclude, Fraud Shield AI is not just a fraud detection system, but an explainable and user centric security platform. It ensures safety without compromising user experience and demonstrates how intelligent system can make digital transactions more secure and trustworthy. Thank you for watching this demonstration.